Today we're going to create a 5-number summary, and I'm going to start by just typing in the header for my table, and then all my labels. Now I'm going to name my range again. Because I've already used the name weights, I cannot use it, I cannot rename with the same name. So I'm just going to call this weights 5. How about that? And now I go in the cell E5 adjacent to my minimum, and I start with my function min, which will give me the minimum. And then I want my quartiles. When you do quartiles, I'm going to use the one that's inclusive, and until the array is where my data is. And then I have to tell it what quartile I want. And so here for Q1, I want 1. And again, this quartile. This time I want the second quartile, so I type comma and then the 2. And my third quartile. And then my maximum or highest number, and that function is max. So there we have our 5-number summary.